300 miles across the high desert country of northern Arizona, there meanders a giant, jagged, mile-deep slash in the earth. The Grand Canyon, one of the world's great natural wonders. The Colorado River. It has been gnawing its way through this vast rocky wilderness for 10 million years. If the violent rapids promise adventure, the river's silent swirls, giant eddies, and quiet pools offer fascination. Much of the river moves calmly, in hypnotic liquid rhythms, but the river guards its privacy with its rapids. No one ever forgets the magic of that first dawn on the river and the song of the canyon wren. The sun rises late over the canyon walls in the crystal morning air. In the Grand Canyon, as nowhere else on Earth, the river has laid bare nearly every page of geological history. Fossil-rich red wall layers from an ancient sea, 2 billion years old. Just how old is that? Compress 2 billion years into 24 hours, and the entire history of man takes up 1/5 of a second. As the earth has been cooling during eons of time, so the patient river, tirelessly moving tons of silt and pebbles each day, has been cutting its bed through the rocky plateaus, carving an incredible sculpture. Oarsmen face forward in rapids for better vision and to use their more powerful pulling strokes to maneuver away from the big curlers. There is a moment of panic if you do get a darkness. Cold water stings, but the big life jackets will keep your nose above water until you can scramble ashore at the end of the rapids. That's the last big run. Like many things in nature, there's just a single Grand Canyon for the whole world. It's majestic, but it's fragile. The river has spent millions of years creating the Grand Canyon and will flow on for many millions more. But will the great drive of man's curiosity, his technology, eventually change the Grand Canyon and all the natural environment? The legacy of the canyon is the legacy of life itself. It's ours to do with as we choose, to squander or to cherish.